Step into Chikwado space where the love is real. Healthy meals with flavor, that's a big deal. Intercontinental dishes, yeah, we cook it right. For everybody, every home, every appetite. If you're looking for food that heals, that still tastes good and keeps it real, pull up a chair, let's take our time. Little by little, we redesign. Welcome, welcome to Chikwado space, where we share, we laugh, we're listening. Hey, hit subscribe and stay a while. Cook with me and share a smile. Welcome, welcome to Chikwado space. This is where the healthy living begins. Low sugar highs, steady feels inside. We feed your body and your mind. Color on the plate, every shade you need. Spice in the pot, every soul we feed. Stories in the steam, faith in every bite. Come as you are, leave feeling light. Welcome, welcome to Chikwado space, where we share, we laugh, we're listening. Oh yeah. Hit subscribe and stay a while. Cook with me and share a smile. Welcome, welcome to Chikwado space. This is where the healthy living begins. Low sugar highs, steady feels inside. We feed your body and your mind. Welcome, welcome to Chikwado space. Welcome, 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 welcome. Find your place. Welcome, 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 welcome. Find your place. Welcome, welcome to Chikwado space. This is where the healthy living begins. Step into Chikwado space where the love is real. Healthy meals with flavor, that's a big deal. Intercontinental dishes, yeah, we cook it right. For everybody, every home, every appetite. If you're looking for food that heals, that still tastes good and keeps it real, pull up a chair, let's take our time. Little by little, we redesign. Welcome, welcome to Chikwado space, where we share, we laugh, we're listening. Hey,
lifestyle and products reviews. Chikwado space. I mean you want to be happy and jolly. Yeah. Chikwado space. Chikwado space. Oh, Chikwado space.
On a fair on a muta, money wearing cash obi. Iga muta akwụkwọ. Inspiring check, educating check, entertaining check. For food we did, for vlog we did, lifestyles and product review. All in Chikwado space.
This is Chikwado space channel. Oh, this is Chikwado space channel. Oh, if you are looking for a place to learn how to cook, Chikwado space. Chikwado space. Intercontinental dishes. Chikwado space. For lifestyle and products reviews. Chikwado space. I mean you want to be happy and jolly. Yeah. Chikwado space. Chikwado space. Oh, Chikwado space.
We do food, vlog, product review and lifestyle and more. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like and comment.